we go, up. So control, 2, 1, last one, you're flexing out that back. Squeeze, 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 hold it. Down slow, 3, 2, 1, finished. Good stuff.
There we go. Touch that point. There we go. Down doesn't count. Up. 2, there we go. Every time up. 3, perfect. There we go. Push it up there. There we go. Last one. Up. Finish.
Emphasize glutes at the top. There we go. Power through the...
Power through the 6. There we go. Perfect. Intense, intense. There we go. Last one. Up. Finish.
Alright, so we're good to start. So that we do. Arms out straight. So again, you're getting your mind fat percentage. Good stuff. Look at the drop. Getting in the teens.
I actually have a trainer. Yeah, that's what I was doing yesterday. Thank you. All right, so just leaving the gym, as you can see, and I thought it would be cool to kind of do a video designated to kind of my workout routine. So my trainer and I had the bright idea for me to increase my training sessions from 2 a week to 4 a week. So yeah, I thought I'd share it with you guys. So as you saw in the previous clips, I showed you like the training session routines that we do, and today I just did strictly cardio. I did 10 minutes on a 12-point incline at 3.0 speed. Then I brought it all the way down to 0 and did a 10-minute walk at 4.0 speed. And then I did a 10-minute run at 6.0 speed. So a total of 2 miles is what I did today on the treadmill, and I feel amazing. So literally today is Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today I have been grinding, and I feel it. Everything hurts. Holding this phone hurts. I am extremely sore everywhere, but it's kind of like that hurt that feels good. And I have a really high tolerance for pain, like really high. So if I'm hurting, I put in some work. So tomorrow is going to be a rest day for me. I do plan to still close my rings. What I typically do, when I say close my rings, I mean on my watch. What I typically do is I will make sure that I am extremely active throughout the day while I'm at work. And then when I get home, I'll do a little at home kind of like workout. I usually run the stairs, up and down the stairs, and Sefton has a ball because he likes to do that with me. So we kind of do a little workout together. I kind of do like some weight work. So yeah, I just do things around the house to kind of like close my rings. So even on days that I don't go to the gym, my goal is always to close my activity for the day. So yeah, that's the plan for that. And then Saturday I'll be back in the gym at it. Sunday is my rest day, and then Monday training begins all over again. So yeah, I feel so good. And I'm so happy that I kind of challenged myself to do this because I didn't think it was possible. So to increase it to 4 has been, pretty proud moment for me. Also yesterday we did my monthly check-in. So we checked my weight and we checked my body fat percentage. Last month my body fat percentage was 26% and my weight was 131 pounds. This month my body fat percentage is 21% and my weight is 134. So I have gained muscle. So yes, I'm super excited about that. I have been toning. Like my goal has just been to tone and maintain my weight. So I feel really good about that. I definitely can see the definition in my body. You guys also notice the definition in my arms, but that has definitely improved. I'm starting to see some little abs kind of like come through, and yeah, so overall I'm super proud of myself. I'm happy for challenging myself to do this, and I hope that this video helps you guys kind of get a little insight on what workout routine is like for me, just being a normal person, working a full-time job, full-time mom, and an active, social life as well. I travel a lot, as I share with you guys here too. So yeah, hope this is helpful. Gotta go get the baby now from school, get home, cook dinner, and just chill out and relax for the evening. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just list them below. If you have any health questions for me, fitness questions and things like that, I'll definitely share it here. I do plan on doing videos like this more often if this is something that you like. So let me know if this was interesting for you guys. If not, I won't do it anymore. I definitely want to share things that you guys want to see, and for me, I feel like these type of videos can be helpful. So if you want to see more of this, just let me know. I may just do like a monthly thing, just like a monthly check-in, and share with you guys kind of like my workout routine, kind of like my eating, what I'm eating, and I'm trying to think what else. I think that's it. Also, just a little off topic, but not really off topic. I posted on my Instagram earlier today kind of like a quote about judgmental people judging people that are curvy, and judging people that are thinner, skinny, so if that's what you want to call it. And I posted that because not a lot of people, but I've gotten a couple, not anyone here on YouTube, not anyone even on my Instagram. It's kind of like people just in my professional life. It's not even my family or friends that have commented that I'm getting too small. And I don't feel like I'm getting too small. I just feel like, you know, the people who feel the need to say this to me may be a little too comfortable with me, or, you know, they're just used to me being fluffy, or, you know. So I don't take it personal, because I'm damn sure not gonna stop doing what I'm doing to appease someone else. I will say this: the people that do say these things to me are people who are extremely obese. Extremely. They don't work out. They have no intentions on being healthy or living a healthy lifestyle. So I take whatever they say with a grain of salt. But I just thought it was funny and interesting, and I found that little quote and thought I would share it with you all, because I'm sure there are people out there who have the same, you know, things going on in their lives, whether it be loved ones, friends, co-workers, or whatever. And my response to that is, don't do that. Don't tell people that they're too skinny and that they need to eat, and don't tell people that they're too fat and they need to stop eating. Like, stop being judgmental. Let people be who they want to be. The only people that I care about, whose opinions I care about, is my family. So if it's not my parents, if it's not my man, if it's not my child, anyone close to me who genuinely love me and care about my well-being, when they start telling me that, you know, I'm looking too small or I don't look healthy, then I will start reevaluating my lifestyle. But trust me, I'm good. No one ever said, Shauna, you're too heavy, ever. But since I've lost weight, I think because people are so used to seeing me heavier that they feel like I'm losing too much weight. But I'm like, no, I'm not. Like, I am 5'2", 135 pounds is where I should be. So yeah, don't let people tell you that you're too skinny or you're too fat. Do what works for you, what feels good for you, what feels right for you. Anything, when people say that to me, I take it as a compliment, because I feel great. So, you know, and I feel like I look good, and so that's all that matters. Like, I'm happy with it. So yeah, I just wanted to touch on that. So if you are that person that says that to people, or if you've had someone say that to you, brush it off. Like, people, you know, 9 times out of 10, the person that's saying that to you is just dealing with something internally with themselves. And if you are someone who says that to people, stop it. Just keep it to yourself. Some things, just keep to yourself. Like, because we don't care. I know I don't. You know, at this age, I don't care. Yeah, your opinion does not matter. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.